Maligayang bati, Mr. President. Idadagdag ko lang ang pasasalamat ng buong sambayan ng Pilipino sa lahat ng ginagawa niyo po para sa ating bansa. At para naman sa akin, magpapasalamat ako dahil alam niyo, Mr. President, marami akong natutunan sa inyo, lalong-lalo na sa communication. And turo sa akin, magsalita ng diplomatic at saka malumanay. Pero dito sa nakarang 2 taon, mukhang mas effective yata yung style niyo. O halimbawa, dito sa isyong to, ako, ito yung sasabihin ko. All we ever ask from the media, foreign and local, is that you be fair in your reporting of us and understand the circumstances in which we have to exist. We want you to be partners with us in the effort of nation building. So, parang mas maganda yata ito eh.
Ayan, media, wala akong pakialam. Sabi nila ako daw ang pinaka-unpopular sa international press. Wala akong pakialam, putang ina ninyo.
Ito naman, yung kung sa mga dayuhan na nagkakamali sa ating kasaysayan, ganitong paliwanag ko. It is very important that all Filipinos understand, especially the young ones, that the history of the Philippines did not start with the coming of the Spanish. If anyone contends that, I would just have to disagree. Pero ito yata yung naintindihan nila eh.
Our history books, look at our history books noon sa amin. Who discovered the Philippines? The answer was Magellan. Anak na. Kung ako ang presidente noon, sampalin kita pag ginawa ko.
O ito pa, itong paborito nating mga EU. Ito yung sinabi ko sa kanila. To our friends in the EU, please respect the fact that the Philippines is a sovereign nation. But as such, although we disagree, we are always open to all your comments and observations as long as it is constructive through this effort of nation building. But it turns out, this is the language that they understand.
Sila yun eh. Sino? France, Britain. Tapos yung EU ngayon has the goal to condemn it. As again, I repeat it, fuck you.
Kaya happy birthday, Mr. President. Happy birthday, my friend. Huwag nyo nang intindihin yung mga Happy birthday.